New twists and turns emerge in the Coalgate scam as files pertaining to the applications of coal blocks from 1993 to 2005 go missing. Coal Minister Sri Prakash Jaiswal openly admits that the files are missing. Meanwhile, the BJP is lashing out at the government, accusing it of trying to cover up the scam.
A scam that has hit the government hard. Coalgate now has more trouble in store for the government. Reports suggest that files pertaining to applications of coal blocks from 1993 to 2005 and those which show certain recommendations made to the PMO have allegedly gone missing.
Some files they are saying missing, some are not traceable, some are untraced, some are gone misplaced. So all these are alibis. The real thing is that government does not want to share information with CBI and it wants to cover up the whole scam.
Even as the CBI probes the allocation records of 157 companies that applied for coal blocks are also missing. Both the left and the BJP are now questioning the government's intent as the Coalgate investigation appears to have hit a roadblock.
Yes, it is. It only shows how miserably government is trying to cover up its own illegality.
Sources in CBI have clearly stated that 4 to 5 crucial files related to ongoing coal scam investigation from the period 2006 to 2009 are yet to receive from Coal Ministry. CBI has also stated that these files would certainly be important to complete the probe. Nonetheless, they haven't got any formal reply from the Coal Ministry on the fact that these files are missing.
While the CBI claims the investigations are progressing along desired objectives, the government is staying away from the controversy.
ये बात सही है कि 1993 से लेकर 2004 तक के बीच की कुछ फाइलें नहीं मिल रही हैं, लेकिन प्रयास अभी हो रहा है. बाकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेगा उसके रिजल्ट सामने आएंगे.
The BJP has once again sharpened its attack on the Congress over the coal scam, with Sri Prakash Jaiswal, the Minister of Coal, himself admitting that files between the period of 1993 and 2004 are missing and efforts by the government are on to procure these files. As far as the principal opposition party is concerned, they have very categorically stated that this is yet another example of how the government is trying to hide facts from the Central Bureau of Investigation. With Camera Person Mohan, this is Tavleen Singh in New Delhi for Times Now.